Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to set a piece of furniture or an object in SketchUp to the correct scale. We know that when downloading from the warehouse or any other site, the object might be larger or smaller than it should be. For this, we're going to use just one tool in SketchUp and it's super easy. The shortcut for this tool is T for tape measure tool, or the little icon on the large tool set bar here on the left side. It's important to note that in the most current versions, it already comes with a little plus sign. So I'm going to press Ctrl just once so that this little plus sign disappears from the tools icon. Notice that this Barcelona chair is over 1.80 m wide, which is totally outside the correct size for this object. So how are we going to do it? We're going to click on some point along the width of this armchair, and then we'll click a second time on the opposite side. After I click the second time, I can release the mouse and type on the keyboard the measurement I want for this object's width. In this case, I want 75 centimeters. So 0.75 and enter. A window will pop up asking if I actually want to resize the object. I'm going to click yes, and the width measurement is now correct. It's already at 75 centimeters. So super easy. Remember that it's important to scale these objects when they're alone, when they're the only thing in the file. Otherwise, it'll scale the rest of your project. If you don't want to scale the rest of the project, you can do the same thing, but inside the edit mode. In other words, you'll double click on this object and follow the same procedure we did with the tape measure tool. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next videos.